Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find your favorite games in Google Play Store on DOOGEE T10. To do this, let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find some games. Let's start with Call of Duty and see if it's there. As you can see, there's a Call of Duty icon, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture in the home page and enter settings. Go for family, select parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to 18. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and from here if you go back and look for the game again, it should be right here and you can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.